Despite routine cleaning, environmental factors can cause mold to grow on your home's tiles and walls. They not only look bad, but they can also lead to allergies, skin infections, skin rashes, and sinus infections, among other health problems. Here are 10 tried and true home remedies for mold removal. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar works well as a fungicide to get rid of mold on any surface. The fact that vinegar does not discolor walls is its biggest feature. If you apply vinegar to a specific surface, there won't be any negative side effects. Use a brush to remove the mold from the afflicted area before applying vinegar. Using a sponge, apply vinegar to the area repeatedly until all mold has disappeared. For optimal results, use white vinegar that has been distilled. 2. Tea tree oil. Nothing works better than tea tree oil for controlling pests, especially mold. This herbal oil is an ideal fungicide to eliminate living mold because it has a wealth of antifungal qualities. After using it once, it also stops mold from growing on that specific surface again. Here is a straightforward tea tree oil remedy that you may apply to get rid of mold on any surface. Take 100 ml of white vinegar and tea tree oil and thoroughly combine. The mixture will now receive 500 ml of water, which will be added to the spray bottle. You must scrub the area and get rid of the mold before applying this oil to the walls of any surface. Apply the tea tree oil mixture again every 5 hours until the mold is entirely gone. 3. Distilled ethanol. Purchase a specific variety of distilled ethanol at any pest control retailer. Spray it on the mold-infested areas. In mold-prone locations, ethanol not only destroys mold but also prevents its renewal. 4. Soapy water. For immediate removal of the mold, soapy water is your best option. As soon as you notice mold in any location, you should first scrape it away using a scrubber or sandpaper. Now use soapy water to clean the area. To prevent mold recurrence, use detergents to wash the mold away, and then wash the area again every day. 5. Grapefruit extract. While this is a little pricey, grapefruit extracts are the most effective at eradicating mold from any surface. The best part about grapefruit extracts is that it reduces mold problem without causing any acidic smell. When used on a surface, it is also safe enough for children to be present. 6. Tile and grout sealing. Get tile sealants to fill in the gaps between the tiles so that mold won't grow there because there is too much moisture there. You can purchase organic tile and grout sealants from the market and apply them yourself at home to get rid of mold for good. 7. Alcohol spray. Vodka offers greater relief not only from stress, but also from the mold. Put some vodka in a spray bottle, then spray the mold-prone areas with it. The mold starts to break down in a matter of seconds. Use a good wiping sponge to quickly remove the dead mold at this point. 8. Chlorine bleach. The cheapest and most efficient technique to entirely get rid of mold is chlorine bleach. To completely get rid of mold, just sprinkle chlorine bleach on the affected area and then wipe it down with a sponge or scrubber. 9. Dehumidifier. Mold and mildew flourish in moist conditions. You might wish to spend money on a dehumidifier for most rooms in your home, such as the bathrooms and kitchen. Fix any leaky plumbing as well, and stay away from keeping things like wet rugs or moist furniture. Wet clothes or towels lying around are ideal environments for mold and mildew growth. 10. Hydrogen peroxide. Add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to a cup of water. Use a sprayer to apply this mixture to the damaged wall or surface. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, combine 1 cup of water and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Spray the baking soda mixture on the mold-prone regions, only after cleaning and drying the surface with the preceding hydrogen peroxide solution, to stop mold growth. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.